Alright, we're going to show you guys the U drill today. It's a really good technical drill working on your tight touches and one-touch passing. There's 4 different variations, so we're going to walk through each one and then show you live.
The first variation is a one-touch, so you do the one-touch with the leading foot and you just go around the U, doing each side twice.
Good. 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 Yep. Good. Yep. Good.
The next one is a two-touch, so it's the same thing as the one-touch, except this time you're just taking an extra touch and playing back to your partner again, 2 times each side.
Yep. Yep.
The next variation is this touch across the body, so you play one touch with the leading foot, then you take a touch across with your back foot, again, 2 times each side. The final variation is outside of the foot, so again, you're using your leading foot, one touch, and then you take the outside of the foot touch across the next gate, 2 times each side.